Hello and welcome to our latest video. Get inspired DIY rustic garden landscaping and decorating ideas. Today we are going to show you some fantastic ways to transform your outdoor space into a rustic haven that you will love spending time in. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious garden, we have plenty of ideas to suit your needs. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired. Incorporating a rustic watering can. Instead of using a plastic watering can, opt for a rustic metal one that can add a touch of charm to your garden. You can even repurpose an old watering can as a unique planter for your plants. Building a rustic treehouse or swing for families with kids. Building a rustic treehouse or swing can be a fun and creative way to add a unique touch to your garden. Use natural materials like wood and rope to create a sturdy and charming structure that kids will love. Creating a rustic rock garden. A rock garden can be a beautiful addition to any outdoor space. Use a variety of different sized and textured rock to create a natural looking rock garden. You can also add plants that thrive in rocky environment for a beautiful and low maintenance garden. Adding a rustic archway. Create a beautiful entrance to your garden by building a rustic archway. Use natural materials like wood and Venus to create a charming and welcoming entrance that sets the tone of your outdoor space. Incorporating rustic artwork. Add a touch of personality and creativity to your garden by incorporating rustic artwork. Use natural materials like wood and metal to create unique sculptures or hang rustic artwork on your garden walls or fences.